0.3% of girls that are watching my videos. Today I am going to tell you about how my 21 MT-09 almost got me sent to jail. I was riding it back from work. This was probably 2 weeks ago at this point, from the time of upload. I was at this intersection right here. Granted, it was 70 degrees the morning that I'd left and was almost 20 degrees by the time I left work. So I was not happy, not having a good time. From that light back there, I just ripped it. I was ready to get home. I pulled all the way up through first gear, pulled through second gear, and then clicked third when I looked right over here at this courthouse, and there's two cops sitting just side by side looking right at the road. I saw them and immediately shut it down, just closed the throttle, let it decel. But as you know, this bike with the full Acura system on it, it's not a very quiet bike. I had been heard for a good while before they actually saw me. So as it goes, you know, they pull out and they're right here behind me. I get through this light and through the next light, and this is residential streets, so I'm not going too fast, but I'm going a lot faster than the posted speed limit. I get through both these lights. Both of them have their lights on and are coming up behind me quick. I guess they're assuming I'm going to run. I'm not that kind of rider. One, because I ride this thing every day. I don't want them to see it and be like, okay, we're going to keep an eye out for this bike. But also, you're more likely to get off a ticket if you just sit and pull over immediately, talk to the cops, and at least here. So pulled over as soon as I saw lights come on. Pulled over here into the Sam's. Guy comes up, asked me, you know, do you know how fast you were going? I said, no idea. I'm cold as shit. I don't have a winter liner in. I'm just ready and trying to get home. It's late. You know, I'm hungry. Just not having a good time whatsoever. He goes, okay. Takes my license, takes my registration. As he's walking back to the car, I asked him, I was like, hey man, you know, crazy question, but do you mind if I sit in the back of your car? Like, I am freezing out here. He was a cool cop, let me sit in the back of the car. Should have got a photo of that, but you know, you live and you learn. But he said that he had clocked me at 82 miles an hour in a 40, which is, this area is a 40 mile per hour zone. How in the world this guy let me off with a warning, said ride safe and slow down, I have no idea. But I am so happy for the fact that he did, because that very well could have been me going to jail and them impounding the bike. That's double the posted speed limit. That's a super speeder ticket. And luckily for me, nice cop. Him and his buddy were both, you know, kind of interested in the bike. They liked the color scheme, they liked the naked bike. But that was kind of a wake up to, hey, you know, this bike will beat every posted speed limit in the United States in first gear alone. The fastest speed limit we have here is 80 miles an hour down in Austin, Texas, I believe. And this bike will do 87 miles an hour in first gear, as pointless as that is. So just kind of my reminder to calm down a little bit. That's about all I got for y'all today. Just a quick little fun story. I should be in jail right now, but cool cops. So if you want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. And if you have any ideas for future uploads, I think I want to do a video here pretty soon where I can go to Mexico and figure out what the top speed on every gear is. Just run it out first gear from idle to red line, second gear idle to red line, something like that. You got any more ideas? Let me know. Drop it down in the comments. My Instagram's right about here. TikTok's right about here. Thanks, and I will see you on the next one.